Okay, so I've already got the Rentometer data here. The average is pretty straightforward, 1187, median 1213. So I've cleaned this up a little bit. So 90th percentile is 1648. It's that second number. 75th percentile is the second number here. It kind of matches what's going on here. So 1430. 10th percentile is 725. And 25th is 944. So 90th percentile is the largest number. 75th percentile is the second largest number. 25th percentile is third largest number, and 10th percentile is the smallest number. This isn't quite in the correct order. Doesn't unfortunately go largest to smallest, but you kind of get what's going on here. So I'll just do this 2-bedroom, 2128, 2100. 90th percentile is 2663. 75th percentile is 2410. 10th percentile is 1592. 25th percentile is 1846. So hopefully that clears things up a little bit. Let me know if you have questions.